Hello, this is Valerie at My Scrap Chick, and I'm putting together this new gift box that's for Valentine's, and it has hearts along the sides of the box, and on the top is a special type of closure. It looks like a bouquet of hearts, and you just can open it, tuck in your gift, and then it closes, and it kind of gives a 3D closure on the top. And I'll show you how we're going to put this together. First, I'm going to point out it's going to come with two different designs for the sides of the box. You can either use this one with the falling hearts, or this other one that I'm going to put together with is just one heart on the four sides. And so what this is there's going to be two pieces to the box. And I've got this side already put together, and it's got, you'll notice on the bottom, the bottoms are different. And this is going to be one of those self-closing boxes. And so, okay, this side I've already got it assembled, but I'm going to put this one together and show you how it goes together. And the first thing, when you have your pieces laid out, all the hearts will be going in the same direction. And so we're going to start by putting the hearts on the tab, the closing tabs at the top here. And I just take the heart and line it up, and there's going to be a slight outline around the heart. And I like to put all these pieces on before I glue the sides together and assemble a box. Okay, here we go. Okay, so like I said, I've got these panels that go along the sides. This one I've already assembled, and I'm going to show you how these layers go together. It's just the backing, and then you can choose whatever color you want the heart to be, and it's going to go behind this cutout. So the first thing I like to do is put the backing behind here. It'll be interesting to see the color combinations people come up with. I always find that really interesting. So I put this on the back, press that down, and then I'll put glue on here and glue it to the final backing. And that's going to have a slight border all the way around. Okay, and now I'm going to attach these to the sides. Actually, what I might do first is I'm going to go ahead and fold along all the score lines for this. And you'll see that there's score lines across the top. And then I'll fold the bottoms up. And then this is the side tab. And then this score line. And now the tricky fold on this one is to get this special fold on the top. And so what I do, there's a score line right here, and I'm going to kind of pinch these two together. And I just do that one slightly, and then on this side there's a score line here, and I'm going to fold that forward. And then there's another one here. And I found the easiest way to do this is to have my fingers on this place along the score line, and then kind of angle it towards like this, and then press it down with my squeegee. Okay, and now I'll put these side panels on. And one more. Okay, and so now we're ready to assemble the sides. And this tab I'm going to put glue on there and then just line this side up. Squeegee that down. And then I'm going to fold it. And now I've got this tab that I want to get down, so I'll put glue on here. And we'll squeegee that down. And now, when you fold this open like this, we're going to close up the bottom. And I know this is a big box. So what I'm going to do is put this side down first, then the two sides, and then this tab I just press down, and that closes the bottom of the box. Okay, and now to close the top, all we're going to do is pinch all these sides at the same time, press them together, and that closes your box and gives you a little bouquet of hearts on the top. And it's a nice Valentine box to tuck in some real serious goodies in here. Lots of candy kisses. Anyway, hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.